What's up, investors? Welcome to Money Talk, the number one news source and the one information source for everything and anything regarding the stock market, the financial world, and more specifically Palantir. Today, guys, we got a special video on Palantir where I'm going to be discussing some things regarding where this stock is headed and also the massive increase in short interest in Palantir and whether or not this is a stock that can potentially have the short squeeze in the upcoming months ahead. But guys, before we get started, if you're watching this video on anything other than YouTube app, there's going to be a button up there that says open an app, go to app. I want you guys to press on that. It will take you directly to the YouTube app on your device. It will take you out of this weird template whether you're on Google Chrome or Safari browser, and it will make the video a whole lot more pleasing to your eyes. So now that you've done that, let's get this video on Palantir start. Palantir, oh Palantir. Alright, so that was just a moment of silence for all the red that we've been experiencing the past month. Alright guys, down almost 30% on the monthly and near its 52-week lows at around the $18 level. Palantir is looking bad, but it's looking like a good purchase. All right, so how about that? So go ahead and buy this dip, guys. There we go. That's just a quick off the bat before we even get into the short interest and whether or not this stock can recover or not. That's just a too long didn't watch version. Go ahead and buy this dip. All right, buy this dip. These prices are looking very good. The upside is a lot better than what the downside is looking like. Okay, and basically, look, you need to understand. Okay, I know you're worried about buying this dip. You're probably thinking, is it gonna go to $17? Is it gonna go to 17, 15? Who cares? Dude, the lowest it could go right now, right, is $15. Okay, let's be honest. That's the lowest. $15. Let's say everything goes to hell. Okay, everything goes to hell, and the stock can drop to, let's say, $13. Okay, $12. Scary, right? Scary. That's the worst case scenario because it wouldn't make sense. I mean, they literally would have more cash on hand than the stock would be worth at like $10. It wouldn't make sense. Their revenue would right? It wouldn't make sense. Okay, so let's say $13 is the worst. What is 13%? What is $18 to $13? What would that be? That is $5. That's like 30%. Okay, so there we go. So the worst that can happen is a 30% downside. That is if everything goes to hell. Okay, now on the other hand, when you look at the upside, all right, the upside of this company is massive. Okay, it's insane. It's like, dude, you're not gonna, and it's important for you guys to understand, right? This is something that I'm actually like, I literally just recorded a video for the upcoming course that I'm dropping at the end of this month. Right, guys, listen. You're never going to get the bottom of the candle. Okay, you're never going to buy exactly at the reversal point. You're never going to get the 100% of the candle. Okay, and remember, all right, bears make money, bulls make money, pigs get slaughtered. All right, don't be a pig. Don't be. Look at the dip. Like, come on, just look at this chart. All right, it's beat. It hurts right now. All right, go ahead and buy this dip. All right, that's not financial advice. Okay, that's my opinion. All right, now do I say that for me to dodge responsibility and not get sued? Absolutely. But also on top of that, I'm telling you guys this because listen, one video is not enough for you to go ahead and invest your hard-earned money. Okay, it's just not. Okay, so watch some other videos, do some other research, read some articles, read some earnings, read some financials, and then make your own mind. Okay, but all I'm saying is buy this dip. All right, but that's not financial advice. Don't try to sue me, bro. All right, so now let's get talking about the short interest. The short interest is going up. Okay, guys, the short interest is going up, and right now it's just from October to November it went up 30%. Okay, in October Palantir had 62.8 million shares shorted, right, and then in November that number jumped from 62 to 81. Right, crazy. So what does this mean? Well, this means that, I mean, look, the market that we're in, right, it makes sense to be short because it's red. Okay, so it good for everybody that did short this company in November because look, December and not looking good. Okay, so congratulations to that 30% increase. But and listen, guys, it's also important to understand why is this happening, right? I already made a video regarding what is happening, but I'm just give you guys it's a lot of fear, right? It's a lot of fear of interest rates going up, and interest rates are not good for the stock market. And also, it's one more thing as well. Hedge funds. Hedge funds, hedge funds, hedge funds. Yes, hedge funds, okay? Because look, hedge funds trade both ways, all right? Hedge funds trade long and hedge funds trade short, okay? They don't just buy and hold and, I hope it goes up. No, they don't do that, okay? They buy when it's going up, they drive the price up, they pump the price up, and when it's on the way down and when the trajectory is looking a little bit down and maybe the sentiment is a little bit low in the market, you know what they do? Short, 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 short that stock. Send it to hell. Burn it. Okay, and this is what we're seeing right now from Palantir. Now, right now, Palantir has a visible short interest of 5.1%. Visible short interest. That's right. Visible. Visible short interest indicates that there is an invisible short interest. Right? That's correct. And there is an invisible short interest. That's what, I mean, the 5.1% short is it just doesn't make any sense, okay? Because, look, it doesn't account for all the naked shorting, all the synthetic shares, all the dark pool freaking injections of shares. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't even account to anything. That's why we have like a stock like AMC, right? AMC's visible short interest is 18%. It balances between 18 to 20%, right? Now with a 20% short interest, would people expect AMC to go from $30 all the way up to $250? No, that's because that's not the short interest, okay? These hedge funds and etc. short stocks through the dark pool. What's a dark pool? Basically, dark pool is a place where they take some shares and they inject it to the supply of the whole outstanding shares, right, guys? And then basically from there, they short those shares, and then from there, the shorting, what do you call it? The shortest shares are now added to the supply, which can't even be bought back. So the shares stay shorted. It's hard to explain. Okay, and I'm just trying to explain it off the riff. I can't really do that. But even let's say they don't do that. Okay, shorting hurts stocks. Shorting hurts stocks more than buying helps stocks. So what am I talking about? How does that even work, Money Talk? Well, that's because, guys, the stock market is simple supply and demand, right, guys? Stock market is simple supply and demand. And when you buy something, okay, when you buy a stock, when the demand is constant and you buy the product, the price goes up because more people want to pay for the thing that you want, right? They're like, oh, I want more, I'll pay more, right? Now, when you sell, okay, when you short a stock, you sell the shares. You borrow it and then you sell it. So therefore, you never add it to the buying pressure. You're only adding to the sell. You're only hitting the stock in the head. Does that make sense? Because in order to buy and sell, you help increase this price by buying, and then when you sell, you make it go down because you're selling, okay? But when you short a stock, you never buy the stock. You borrow the stock, you sell it first, and then you hope that you can buy it back for cheaper and return it to the person that lent it to you. Does that make sense? It should make sense. God damn it, I'm doing some good explaining here, guys, okay? Now, yeah, so that's with the short interest, right? Now, where's Palantir headed is what we're going to be talking about next. But, guys, I mean, we already talked about it, okay? Never mind. Yep, Palantir's going up, okay? Palantir's going back up. I mean, I literally believe in Palantir. This is my favorite stock, okay? And I don't like to have favorites, but, I mean, it is just so undervalued. It literally makes no sense to me at all, personally, okay? And that's just my opinion, all right? Now, with that being said, guys, just a quick reminder that we've now extended the Trade Alert program's sale from $30 to $20. So we extended that discounted version for the month of December. All right, guys, end of the month sale. Make sure you guys check that out. All right, guys, what does the Trade Alert program come with? These are basically my trade alerts throughout the month, plus a $200 a month lottery. And on the trade alerts, there's a 10% profits guaranteed. That's right, profits guaranteed. That's because I want you guys to be able to make back the $20 with as little as $200. So check that out, guys. 20 spots for the discounted version. 10 spots are already 11. I think somebody signed up earlier today. So 11 spots have already been taken. 9 spots remaining on the $20 version. Get on that fast. Okay, guys, spots are flying off the shelf. So with that being said, that's my take on Palantir and what's happening. That was a quick little short interest update. And yeah, you know, so I could see a short squeeze, right? I forgot to even get to the short squeeze. Man, I'm going all over the place here. Okay, my bad, guys. But so regarding a short squeeze at a 5.1 short interest, I would say the 5.1 short interest is higher. Something is more something like, I would say 20%, like 20 to 30%, if we were to account for that invisible shorts. Okay, now with the 20 to 30%, the stock can absolutely get squeezed, right? The stock can absolutely get squeezed, but I think the levels that it could get squeezed at would be the $30 level. If we get some rotation from the stock, right, or rotation from the, what do you call it, rotation from the market, right, and Palantir has some good earnings, which they will, right? I mean, Palantir's had blockbuster earnings so many years in a row, and man, I don't understand. Like, I think people should literally invest their life savings into Palantir. That's literally what I think. That's my opinion, though, right? That's my opinion, and that just goes to show you guys why you shouldn't sign up for my trailers. I'm joking, no, but Palantir is a killer stock, man. I love this company, and sign up for them trailers, guys, because, you know, nobody's offering 10% profits guaranteed other than me. That just goes to show how confident I am in my trailers. So, all right. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Palantir definitely has a short squeeze coming up for it. Okay, I don't know when, but this stock, if the shorts don't cover, which I will keep you guys updated on, right, could definitely have a short squeeze coming up. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Money Talk.